समाज एक देवालय एक अनुग्रह करणारी आम्ही काही पुंजीपती ना जाऊन पुंजीपती घेऊन आम्ही बॉम्बे येईल ना आमगे मलगड्यांनी आमकां चड दुड्ड दवरलो ना तेन्ना आमकां दिलेलें एक विद्या एक एज्युकेशन म्हणून तांणी आमकां एक दान आमकां एक दान दिलें मलगड्यांनी The education is today is the basic foundation. आमगे community आमगे समाज जन वायरल म्हळ्यार एज्युकेशना निमित्तीच वायरल म्हळ्यार सांगचे कांय संशय ना. एज्युकेशन म्हळ्यार सरस्वती दया सरस्वती इज परमनेंट. लक्ष्मी चंचल आज लक्ष्मी से पायना जाल्यार सरस्वती इज ए परमनेंट टू युअर लायफ टायम. तें एक आमकां सरस्वती मेळिल्ले निमित्ती आम्ही चेडू younger generation they started getting more and more educated. They are more and more that आमगेले स्वातंत्र्य नंतर हिंदुस्तान स्वातंत्र्य जालें तर मस्त एज्युकेशन पुरो डेव्हलपमेंट जालें. आमी चेडवांक फुडें कसं एज्युकेशन स्कोप नातिलें तांणी पुरो विंगड लायना तूं एज्युकेशन म्हळ्यार प्रोफेशनल कोर्स मेडिकल इंजिनियरींग हें पुरो स्टार्ट जावन फुडें हांव शिकतना सगळे मेड्रास प्रेसिडेन्सी म्हणून आशिल्ली. साऊथ कॅनडा वॉज नॉट बिलॉंगिंग टू प्रेसिडेन्सी मेड्रास प्रेसिडेन्सी त्या टायमार. आतां तमिळनाडू कर्नाटक अशें ना. आमी सगळे मेड्रास प्रेसिडेन्सींतून 2 की 3 इंजिनियरींग कॉलेज. आतां मंगळूर देखून आमकां कोणाक इंजिनियरींग दाखोवन ताणें काही गिंडी गेलो नवी कोयंबतूर गेलो अशे कडेन. साऊथ कॅनडा आमी तरी कॉलेज ना काही प्रोफेशनल कॉलेज ना तशी जाल्यार तशी डेव्हलपमेंट जालें की तशी आमची चेडूं म्हालगड आयले प्रयत्न निमित्ती तांकां स्वता नासलें तिगनी चेडून शिका म्हणून तांगेले एक उद्देश तांगेले एक ड्रीम आमी पुरो भोगलींची चेडूं पुरो शिकून वयर म्हूण तांगेले एक ड्रीम जावन तसो जावन आमगे चेडूं शिक्षण चड दिवन आज हे म्हटल्यार आमी प्रोग्रेस करून अशा हे स्थितीर पाविल्ले आसात. तर जावन तांणी एज्युकेशन जाल्ले निमित्त तांकां भायर स्कोप ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट चडलें. मोर फॅक्टरीज मोर बिजनेसीस जावन पुरो आमगेले जन साऊथ कॅनडा जावन डिस्ट्रिक्ट जावन आशिल्ल्याची वी बिकेम ऑल स्प्रेड आउट पुरो बॉम्बे येयल्याची ऑल इंडिया भितर गेल्ल्याची फॉरेन भितर फॉरेन वच म्हळ्यार व्हडलें काम. मंगळूरा देखून फॉरेन म्हळ्यार 2 की 3 जन गेले फॉरेनाक. मागीर सो मेनी पीपल एज्युकेशन हायर एज्युकेशन करून प्रोफेशनल करून तांणी अमेरिका युरोप हांगा ते वचून आज आमगेले इज ए प्राउड टू से दॅट आमगेले समाज प्रोफेशनली दे आर एक्सेलिंग इन ऑल प्रोफेशन्स. You take banking for instance. Banking is started by GSBs, Subrahai Pai Memorial. Subrahai Pai म्हळ्यार founder of Henry School. I studied my matriculation and intermediate scholarship taken from Subrahai Pai. That was the kind of encouragement we got for education. And that is the foundation, strong foundation along with community. खंयचीय एक बिल्डिंग व्हड जावं ताची फावंडेशन स्ट्रॉंग आसल्यार इट इज ए परमनंट युअर विल पावर तुमगेले फंड आसा म्हणटा ताची. आनी आमगेले डीप रुटेड आमगेले कल्चरल वॅल्यूज एडेड टू दॅट आमगेले कल्चरल वॅल्यूज आसा ती मस्त नमुन्याचे एक कंपेर्ड टू अदर कम्युनिटीज मच ऑन ए हायर स्टेट आय वुड से. कल्चरल वॅल्यू म्हणजे आमगेले स्वाम्याले आमगेले एक धैर्य आमगेले एक आमगेले एक रिलीजन म्हळ्यार आमगेले एक तत्व म्हळ्यार आमकां आमगेले ब्लड भितर आसता. द कल्चरल वॅल्यू एंड इज एज्युकेशनल स्ट्रेंथ इज कीपिंग अस ahead amongst all other communities, I would say. You see, even in foreign countries, our Indian, आमची गेले मस्त डॉक्टर्स मस्त IT प्रोफेशनल मस्त लोक आसात. व्हडले व्हडले पोजिशन आसात. Even in India also, I think even doctors, various other professions. Another important development took place in Indian youngsters. We developed entrepreneurship. पुढे काम करून कमाई करता विंगड हांवें स्वता काम करून कमाई करची आयडिया नाशिल्ली पुढे. It started later. Younger generation with education background, तंगेले म्हळ्यार म्हणके एक business naan mara kon that they took challenging assignments. They started taking challenges in life. एक सांभळा रकम म्हणले at the end of the life, a salaried man, what will he become? Ultimately, he will become like, he will retire like a managing director for the institution. After the retirement, he is separate and institution is separate. He has to live on his own, which is not the case for an entrepreneur. Entrepreneur starts a business, he develops it, and he passes on to the next generation to continue. His legacy continues. That's the kind of culture, that's the kind of development has taken place in our Indian youngsters, younger population. आज ये तो बॉम्बे जाते हैं मस्त नमूने के the Thana जाते हैं I would stone one our gentleman Mr. He is having a lift and here for a factory. Yes, nice. It's a really good thing to hear. I'm not trying to boast myself. I myself took a challenge. I came to Bombay. I started my life with a 250 rupees salary in Bajaj as an apprentice engineer. Slowly the idea of that my own entrepreneur was at the back of my mind. But an opportunity came. I took it in spite of resistance from my family also, my elders also. Atang kasna aksan bought sukla business kartum. These are the comment I got. Atang kasna ushin kono bank ala ushin kono business korja bar salla. But I said yes. I mean, there is a risk involved. But it was a strong conviction in me that unless you take risk, you can't make progress. And opportunities come in life, you have to take the opportunity when it is available. If you miss it, you miss the bus. So that was the deep-rooted sort of thought in me. That's how I started. And with God's grace, so far I have no regrets so far. That's why my advice to youngsters is be bold in life. Learn to how to avail opportunities. They are the factors which makes a man to progress. Today, a revolution has taken place in life, I would say. A revolution manari, electrical engineering. Electrical engineering is a very limited scope. Power, today, all our education, what we have learned in our engineering, has become totally obsolete. It is a much advanced science. For IT, computer, it is somehow it has taken the whole course of education to a higher level, higher strata. And the scope is so unlimited. Suddenly, some people spring up. And it comes in headlines in the paper. So much so people making billions of dollars. It becomes some IT business. Recently, all of you must be knowing. Let us Flipkart. Some Pragotas na Flipkart. Two brothers, Bansal and Mono, hardly in 20s or early 30s. IT professionals. They have become headlines. They have come in the headlines in the world, so to say. So which doesn't go in our head how this can happen. This is happening. So पुढे म्हणता ॲक्च्युअली कसं साहेब स्काय इज द लिमिट म्हणून कसं काय म्हणजे स्काय इज द लिमिट. Now sky is no more the limit. Now it is all gone in space. Space कसं नाम करता लिमिट ना था त्या देवा का भगवंता का गोत स्पेस काय दे म्हणून. तशी the man has entered the space age and he has become so I would say so informative, so able to grasp business opportunity from space. This is the situation where we are in now today. And if my advice to my youngsters is, you always look ahead. The scope is so much that you don't know where you can lead to. Now, I just thought of sharing my few ideas today. Maka आईचे अंगाचे सभा attendance म्हणून भारी खुश जाता कि all of you come here. It was a very, very interesting program. I must appreciate it. Thana boys and girls, they are so talented. I think तनपद म्हणजे actual Bollywood की artificial Bollywood म्हणून करना मत. So this is the level of sort of competency our boys and girls have achieved. It's really commendable. I wish all the GSB Samaj, Thana Mitrai, great future, great success in their life, and community as a whole, we should all progress. And I wish our God Almighty will prevail upon all of us in the days to come. And I thank all of you for patiently hearing me for these last few minutes. And I also thank the committee members. Actually, committee Yashwantu, MS Pai, Shanai. Tanmig Lailechi. I'm right to survive like my Rama Macheshas, I'm like 50th annual commemoration function as a chief guest job in Yokam Bari Asha. I'm not involved in Thana affairs. You find some other people who are more able than me in Thana, who are more popular in Thana than me. And Kamalalo Ramam Tishna to Amilantu Bari Malgadman issue. Anika Purana Gutta Purana Zakadalan issue. Anyway, I thank him for his sentiments. So I said, okay, I accepted his invitation. At the Malgad Montarma can acknowledge him Kalaki. I feel Malgad Malakasane, Malgad Malay Jamitru Odum. A Jamitru Od Galari. Prior Mitru Oda Shapur, Galari. So lifetime of experience as they like. A younger fellow may be very much, so many intelligent, he may be very highly qualified. But the life of experience, the age is the life experiences, life of the Sukasane, Dukasane. Discussion problem, Mancha face Korka, Takane rule na, there is no textbooks to study Kasam Korkamno. Garkad problem asta, family problem asta, business problem asta, social problem asta. As a problem face, kono. He gathers experience. That's called experience. म्हणा कसन जाय बाबा लायफ आमी तर करंबेल हांव म्हणटाय कर आमगेले बायक म्हणजे कसन लायफ आमी तर करंबेल हांव करंबेल म्हणून पीक चॅक करंबेल म्हणजे पीक तर म्हणजे आमगेले कसन म्हणटा ताका एक आमगेले कसन म्हाका उडना ताजे बिंबूल की कितें म्हणटा बिंबूल पिकला म्हळ्यार करंबेला पीक बिंबूल म्हळ्यार ते पांचवे अशें तांबडे हळदुवें की तांबडे जाता ते so that's the status of a man when he reaches 80 plus. So this is the experience what elderly people among culture am idhar kasan hai youngster may be a highly qualified doctor, father may be uneducated, but father has got a value because the experience what father has got, the son is only just starting, he doesn't know what is life. So यशवंताने आनी म्हाका एक मेजर बरोवन म्हाका मालगड म्हणून म्हाका एक पोजिशन दिलेलें आसा आय मस्ट एप्रिशिएट आनी मालगड म्हणून आय गॉट अ रायट टू गिव एन एडवायस and that advice I am giving all of you today, for all of you youngsters, don't compromise on gathering education and knowledge. Money is secondary, give more importance to education. The ethics of life म्हटल्यार संदायरी श्रद्धेन भक्तीन लाइफ लीड करचें प्यूर लाइफ लीड करचें and attain for higher level of education is your mental status that will make everybody happy in the long run. And I thank all of you once again. I thank Yashwant and our MS Kamath. I know how to remember MS Kamath. Mild steel Kamath mala makkalta huduga MS Kamath. So otherwise difficult to remember MS initial remember barricades are there. So I remember is like mild steel mantaka. So Mr. Kamath, thank you all and wish you all the best. God bless all of you. And how I conclude my PhD. Thank you.
रामू माना मलगड मनशान आमकां तेगेले एक्सपिरियन्स शेअर केले कशी तो लायफान तो सक्सेसफूल जालो म्हणून सांगिल्लें आसा कश्ट पावन शिकून कशी ताणें बिजनेस एंटरप्राइज डेव्हलप केले विशीं सांगून आमकां भारी संतोश जालो आमकां एक उडकास दवरची विशय हो आमगे लायफान तूं तागेले कशें की ताणें अर्न केलेलें एक्सपिरियन्स आमगेलें जिवना भितर एक दारी दिवजावो म्हणून हांव लिखतास आतां हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता आमगेले उपेंद्र भंडारकर म्हाका एक वोट ऑफ थँक्स दिवका म्हणून वोट ऑफ थँक्स जातरी आमगे प्रोग्राम जायनी मागीर 1 घंटाचे कार्यक्रम आसा यूथ विंगाचे ते सगळ्यांनी पळोवन वचुका ताजे नंतर आमी जेवणा वेवस्था केलेलें आसा सगळ्यांनी एक मना दवरका म्हणून रिक्वेस्ट करता थँक्यू
सगळे हांगा उपस्थित जाल्ल्यांनी 50th year celebration concluding program of GSB Mandal Thane. आम्ही मागशी पळयल्यार हे 50 वर्ष कशी जाल म्हणून आमकां भारी आश्चर्य जाता ह्या सकट जावचे देवाले स्वाम्याले आनी मलगड मनशाले आशिर्वादानच जावचे ताका देर इज नो डाउट अबाउट इट. अतिथी देवो भव हांगा येयले ठाणांतू आमगेल मंडळात प्रीत दवरून येयले तांणी आमगेल अतिथी सुरवे म्हळ्यार श्रीमान अरविंदराव मामा आनी रावमाय आमगेले आईचे चीफ गेस्ट तांणी आमगेले प्रेसिडेंट आमगेले यशवंत माम सेक्रेटरी तांगेली विनंतीक मान दिवन आयिल्ल्याक ह्या प्रोग्रामाक चंदाय वाडल्या आमी आमगेल मंडळ तांगेल आभार जावन आसा तशींच हांगा येयल्या बँकाचे गण्य व्यक्ती CMDs जनरल मॅनेजर्स तांणी आमकां तत्तावळी आमकां जस्ट वी आस्क फॉर इट एंड दे हॅव हेल्प्ड अस म्हणून आज ही हे प्रोग्राम कंडक्ट करच्याक आमकां साध्य जालां. Further, आमगे donors, advertisers,